my friend. So if you've been around for a while, you know that I did try out the Tati Halo Beauty Original Pink Pill Supplement back in the day. I do have full videos on those. I want to deep dive in the ingredients of those. I will link those down below for you. I haven't tried anything from the brand since then, but with cold and flu season upon us, and we have all kinds of things happening in the world, it's like, well, maybe this new immunity booster that Tati's come out with would be something that I should try. I should invest in because, you know, I don't want to get sick. I don't want my family to get sick. Maybe I should get multiples because I need them for my whole family. So what I decided after doing a bit of research is I'm not really interested anymore. So if you want to know why I'm not going to buy this shit and what I'm going to do instead, hang tight. We're getting into it right now. Let's just start with what these things are. They are immunity boosters. You get a pouch, $17.50, comes with 14 servings, and there's 2 different flavors to choose from. Looking at the ingredients, the flavors seem to be exactly the same as far as the ingredients other than the flavor itself. So it comes in berry and citrus. It breaks down to $1.25 per serving. You take the little packet and you open it up and you put it into a cold or room temperature beverage, you spin it up, you drink it up, and your immune system is boosted and your hydration in your body is boosted without any added sugar. Sounds great, right? Not being any kind of medical doctor or medical professional myself, I decided to dig into the research and look and see what professionals say about immune boosting supplements. So one source I used was Cedars-Sinai. There's a doctor there called Suzanne Cassell, and she is an immunologist at Cedars-Sinai. She says that the concept of boosting your immune system is actually inaccurate. Quote, "You actually don't want your immune system to be stronger, you want it to be balanced. Too much of an immune system response is just as bad as too little response." She also says that most of the things that people take to boost their immune system, such as vitamins and supplements, don't have any effect on your immune response. Isn't that interesting? Some of you probably already know this, but I found it very interesting. Then I looked over at Harvard Health, and they say for now there's no scientifically proven direct links between lifestyle and enhanced immune function. We are going to expand on that in just a minute. But they say researchers are exploring the effects of diet, exercise, age, psychological stress, and other factors on immune health. I think it's important to understand the wording here in that they're saying that there is no 100% direct link, but they have seen common factors in people that are healthier versus people who get sick more frequently. Correlation doesn't necessarily mean causation, so we just don't know 100%. According to Harvard Health, taking a multivitamin can actually help you to be healthier, but only in the situation where someone is malnourished. And they say that that's not true of the average American adult. They say that vitamin formulations will do little to help you stay healthy if you are healthy already. It seems that there is a connection between malnutrition and overall health, which makes perfect sense. They've seen it at Cedars-Sinai in the elderly and also in people who live in poverty, but they're feeling like it's more an issue of not getting the proper nutrients rather than a direct effect on the immune system per se. I found this really interesting, another quote from Harvard Health. They said, "Many products on store shelves claim to boost or support immunity, but the concept of boosting immunity actually makes little sense scientifically. Attempting to boost the cells of your immune system is especially complicated because there's so many different kinds of cells in the immune system that will respond to so many different microbes in so many ways. Which cells should you boost? And what number?" So far, scientists don't even know. So how am I going to take this berry flavored drink? How do I know that it's going to boost my immune system in the way that it needs to be boosted? How do I know it's going to balance it and not over boost it and then cause additional problems? I just don't know. It's not worth it to me. So in short, science says that immunity boosters aren't guaranteed to do anything, and that you are much better off doing things that are absolutely free. So let's talk about those things. Regular exercise is a huge factor in keeping your body healthy. Again, it's not necessarily the immune system, it's your cardiovascular health, it's keeping your weight down, it's all of those things that contribute to organ function and just the way your body functions as a whole. If you have ever been stressed and just felt your stomach tie in knots, or if you've ever gotten ulcers from stress, or you've ever had that very uncomfortable need to go to the bathroom right before a huge meeting when you needed to speak, we know that stress can affect the way that our body functions. Now, scientists are still studying the way that stress affects the immune system and our abilities to stay healthy, but I'm sure lowering stress in your life wherever possible would probably be a good thing as far as keeping you healthy. I found this really interesting, and it kind of goes along with the Halo Beauty Immune Booster. The Cleveland Clinic said that staying hydrated can help boost your immune system because water helps your body produce lymph and also helps white blood cells and other immune system cells to flow through your body. So making sure that you're hydrated, making sure you're not drinking as much coffee probably as I drink a day and drinking water instead can really help. And if for some reason you're dehydrated beyond what water can give you, they sell the electrolyte liquid at most grocery stores and drugstores for a very inexpensive price. You don't need $1.25 per serving. And if you are constantly in that state, you probably should talk to a doctor. Of course, in the times of COVID, we know that washing our hands and right now wearing a mask are definitely going to be helping us to not only not get COVID, but also to not get other diseases that might be around right now. Diseases meaning cold, flu, things like that. I found this really interesting too. The Mayo Clinic has done some sleep studies and have found that people who get less sleep are more likely to get sick after being exposed to a virus, and it also affects how quickly the person recovers from getting sick. So getting good sleep, 100% free. And of course, eating a healthy diet with more foods that come from nature and less processed foods. Getting the fresh green beans instead of the canned green beans. Cutting up some greens and putting some fresh cooked chicken on there instead of going to the Chick-fil-A and getting a sandwich. So this is where I'm standing on it. First, I feel like if you're going to take any kind of supplement, you should talk to your doctor first, because you never know how a supplement is going to interact with maybe other medications that you're on, or if you are currently getting good levels of some of these vitamins, do you need more? And what are there possible consequences of getting too much of these vitamins in your body? So definitely talking to your doctor before taking supplements. That's where I stand on that part. So just based on the fact that I couldn't find any scientific evidence to back up any of this, that is enough for me to not want to invest my money in it. And it also makes me kind of lose any positive feelings I had toward Halo, that they're selling these immunity boosters when doctors from these highly respected medical centers say that it's all bullshit. It's all bullshit. Especially when there's so many free things that I can do to help boost my immune system or help keep my immune system healthy, however you want to look at it. You know, I get flavored water is delicious. I totally get that. My family drinks a lot of flavored water. We get it through the little squeezy drops, or sometimes we'll buy the club soda that's flavored. That stuff's really yummy. And there's no extra crazy things in it that aren't going to do anything, and it's a heck of a lot cheaper. And besides all of that, if you haven't heard, there's some legal battle happening with Tati and Halo Beauty right now, where Halo Beauty is actually suing Tati, and it's a big, I don't want to get into the details of the legal stuff because again, I'm not a lawyer, not a doctor, not any of that. Tati hasn't promoted it at all that I've seen. I've seen it on the Halo Beauty Twitter and Instagram, but that's pretty much it. So I don't even know if Tati's even endorsing these supplements at all. I have no idea. So I think that's another factor. It's like if the founder isn't even promoting it and endorsing it, I think that says a lot about it as well. It's possible that she can't endorse it because of all the legal action that's being taken right now. It's just a weird time for Halo Halo Beauty. So yeah, no, not gonna get the Halo Beauty immunity boosters. Ain't gonna happen. But I am not telling you what to do. You need to do what you think is best for you. So at this point, my friend, I would love to know your thoughts down in the collective brain of Makeup Awesomeness, where we help each other not to buy crap and to buy things that are totally worth it. Let me know your thoughts about the Halo Beauty immunity booster down below. Is this something that you're interested in? Or have you ever had something like vitamin C supplements or emergen-c or any of these things? Have you ever had positive experiences with these products where you feel like it does do something good for you? I would love to know your experiences and your thoughts down in the comments down below. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it and you're not already subscribed, please subscribe before you head out. But if you're not ready to go, oh, it's no problem at all. I got tons of things for you to watch. I got a couple suggestions for you right over here. But if it is your time to go, it's no problem at all. Thank you so much for hanging out as long as you did. Mad love to you, and I'll see you in a video very soon.